Bullish Cardano cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $1.75 and $3.30 by 2030. Market examiners accept ADA could reach $1.36 by 2025. Bearish Cardano market cost expectation for 2023 is 31 cents. Cardano presentation. The digital currency market is increasing constantly. In any case, staying aware of this quick-moving industry is definitely not a simple errand. In this way, numerous financial backers and brokers who need to exploit the market to create critical gains are drawn to Cardano. Keep close by for an intensive clarification of how Cardano cost expectation functions, its specialized examination, and what's in store for Cardano on the off chance that you're attempting to enter the Cardano exchanging market. However, remember that on the off chance that you want long-haul achievement and benefits, exchanging digital currencies is a tenacious undertaking that calls for both tolerance and examination. How about we plunge profound into the blog entry to comprehend whether this coin checks out for you? What is Cardano? Cardano, frequently known as the potential Ethereum executioner, stands high in the crypto market with secure blockchain innovation, progressive savvy agreements, and application cases. Cardano, which exchanges under the image ADA, was presented by Charles Hoskinson and utilized a proof-of-stake component, in which holders of the money are accused of checking exchanges as a trade-off for a prize. The top digital money trades permit you to take part in marking with no cost, making it an engaging choice to create pay. Cardano's emphasis on peer-explored information and proof-based approaches in its improvement separates it from other digital currencies. Most of the digital money market goes quick. However, Cardano swings the alternate way. It moves all the more leisurely and purposefully. The benefit is that it improves engineers' probability of recognizing expected gambles. Major examination. Cardano's unmistakable incentive is its obvious strength. They aren't meaning to catch the whole market for shrewd agreements and dApps. All things considered, they focus on building a functional decentralized monetary area for the creating scene. The Cardano settlement layer and Cardano calculation layer arrangement keep up with everything coordinated and adaptable concerning innovation. The Cardano group has held the record part of the blockchain unmistakable from the process part of the blockchain because of their obligation to straightforwardness. Additionally, Cardano pushes out around 700 commitments each week and arrives at roughly 100 and 150 designers reliably dealing with the task. Because of these huge quantities of engineers, the coin is probably going to overwhelm Ethereum in market predominance and is the most effectively evolved blockchain project. Cardano is presently worth 38 cents USD. ADA has moved 3.61% as of now with an exchanging volume of $472,312,265. Cardano is presently positioned 7 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $13,261,637,985 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination to similarity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Cardano to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Cardano market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Cardano Value Expectation 2023. Cardano, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The ADA cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to 58 cents. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 54 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is doable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. ADA is supposed to have a base worth of 46 cents. Cardano Value Expectation 2024. Out of 2024, Cardano ADA cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ADA will before long outperform 96 cents. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the ADA's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ADA will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 77 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 85 cents. Cardano Value Forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $1.36 and ADA might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ADA is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.24 and a low of $1.16 in 2025. Cardano Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Cardano effectively supports market feeling among digital currency fans, the ADA coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ADA will be green in 2026. The ADA is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $1.74, with a base cost of $1.55 and a typical cost of $1.63. Cardano Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the ADA cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $2.02 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.94 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ADA has a greatest value worth of $2.13. Cardano Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.40. In the event that ADA figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $2.52. Neglecting to assemble the help ADA needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $2.33. Cardano Value Expectation 2029. While ADA is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $2.71 and a yearly cost close above $2.91 in 2029. Cardano Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Cardano will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $3.10 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $3.30, averaging out at $3.18. Cardano Value Forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest ADA cost in 2031 is projected to be $3.80 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $3.65. Cardano may not encounter a moment blast, but rather it can possibly keep rivaling the best cryptographic forms of money. Cardano's innovation and future endeavors are energizing by their own doing, as are other beneficial digital money choices. In this way, while you probably shouldn't rush out and purchase your ADA today, it's valuable on your radar as innovation advances. Keep in mind, it's not possible for anyone to ensure productivity when you are exchanging a digital currency, so it's smarter to investigate than to lament. What is the Cardano cost today? Today, Cardano is exchanging at 38 cents with a complete market capitalization of $13,261,637,985. Is Cardano a wise speculation? Cardano ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is insightful to say that ADA is a decent decision of venture.